Testing, testing. Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. Today we're gonna have an unboxing of master grade. No, master grade ni. Pero gamay mini master grade. Oh. Og napailain. Ang sama siya, Zaku 1. Oh, ano dyan to? MG. Kani MG sad. But, ate compare. Kani mo ni ang high grade. Mas dako pa ang high grade. Mas dako pa ang high grade kaysa master grade box. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bisaya in Japan.
You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me and it'll glue to you.
Sige, ato ning ablihan. Okay, focus. Ato ning ablihan. Wa pa ko ka try ani. Okay, money iyang kilid mura jug sa master grade na. Mura jud. Nice, what the master grade. Zaku 2 din eh. Zaku 2. Kani kaya Zaku 1. Cute. Kilid. Apa yung weapons? Front view, rear view. Murag nood. Sige. Let's try. Trink. Oh! Napay na ni. Sige. Unboxing. Oh. Manual. It's more like a booklet. Instruction manual. Don't tell me simbulon gini siya. No. Ginoang man eh. No. Sige. Tinuod na scale ano. I don't think na simbolo ni siya. Ano ni siya gikan sa sud. Anak na. Okay. Next. Paper di ay ang sud, no? Paper di mao day tag. I forgot to mention narang price of 100 yen. 100 yen. Mao di ay. No. Paper 50 pesos. 50 pesos para ani. Okay. Okay. So balik. Pakulo rali, pakulo. The effect. Sus. Well, at least it's just 100 yen. Diba? 100 yen. I have to say, I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, ako na at least gamay na model inside. Gamay na figure ba? Zakuan. Again, oh. Paper ang sud. Paper ang sud. Manual. So, ang instruction manual basically the same jud siya sa master grade, but miniature lang, miniature size. Pang kuan na siya, pang lingaw-lingaw. No. Okay, and then so the rest kay paper. Wrong, mura siya runners design, same sa katong Zaku 2. Mga runner. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. I was thinking na naay mura gamay na sud na figure ba ron, like a Converge or anong in-anime ba ron, stand art. Masud man siya. In-anime ba? Pero wak man. Okay. Yeah. Paper din eh. So, unboxing of the mini master grade paper. Sige, bonus lang ta, bonus. Okay, wide angle. Book of palette. Sa man siya, Dark Alliance Series 2. I don't know what this is. Cremator. Okay. Evolution action figures. Sige. Kita na ang price. Pero 950 yen. Yeah, 950 yen. So around 500 peso. I got this kay look massive. 500 peso pero dako kayo, and then napa sa box. Sige, kani ato na lang i-unboxing kay disappointing mo gito. Papel. Papel disappointing. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah. There it goes. Alright. You know, evil faces. Look at that. Oh. Whoa. Look at the quality. Indot eh. Indot set. Yeah. 950 yen. Okay. Taga. Okay. Wait. Hyperlapse time. There he is. So, na yung mga araw na taop siyang luyo. Reminds me of Solomon Grande. But, look! Oh, because second hand. Mao di ay barato kay putol di ay. So I just gonna fix this one. Look at this weapon. Yeah, I have to say it has pretty good quality. No. And then the shield. Yan siya, rubber. Dili siya plastic, rubber material. And sleeve. Ano pa yung sa weapon? Spear. And axe. But more too big. Not the right size man ng axe. What do you think? Dako ra kayo. Oh well. Sige, morning extra sa unboxing sa mini Master Guide. Alright. That's it. Thank you, everybody. That's for today. Bisaya in Japan. Bye-bye.